pretty girl. Oh. Oh. Are you pooping? Hi. Yes. Do you hear me? I see you looking at me. Are you 11 days old? You're so pretty. Did you just eat dinner or something? Really? Really? You gonna be a handful? No. You gonna sleep through the night? Yes. Because Mommy and Daddy are on their own tonight. You must sleep through the night.